Hey my beautiful roses! Welcome back to my channel. If you could walk into school tomorrow looking 10 times prettier without touching a single drop of makeup, would you try it? It might sound impossible, but trust me, it's actually so easy. In this video, I'm spilling the exact tricks that'll make you look fresh, glowing, and effortlessly gorgeous for school. You will look like you have makeup on when you don't. We're talking clear skin, glossy lips, neat hairstyle, clean nails, clean uniform, and everything you need to look like that pretty girl in school. And don't worry, I'm not giving you any crazy routines or telling you to stay hours in front of the mirror. Just simple smart hacks that work instantly and keep you looking amazing all day. So, if you're ready to walk into class looking flawless, confident, and naturally beautiful, keep watching. Because after this video, you'll never think you need makeup again. So grab your favorite drink and your prettiest notebook, and let's get started. Number 1. Have a clear skin. First things first, roses, you need to have a clear skin. Your skin is your foundation, literally. If your skin is fresh, glowing, and clean, you already look 10 times prettier even with nothing on your face. So, here's your simple beginner-friendly, no-stress skincare routine for school. Step 1. Wash your face. Use a gentle face wash every morning when you wake up and every night before bed. Look for something simple with no perfumes, no drama, just something that cleans your skin without stripping it. This will help keep your face fresh, less oily, and free from school breakouts. Step 2. Depuff with ice. If you wake up with dark under eyes, here's a quick fix. Wrap a cube of ice in a paper towel and gently press it under your eyes. It wakes you up, tightens your skin, and brightens your under eyes. And best of all, it gives you that snatched, fresh look in the morning if you dip your face in it. Step 3. Green tea toner. Take green tea and boil it. Let it cool before applying it on your face with some cotton pads. This is your natural toner, roses. It calms your skin, reduces redness, and gives your face that dewy softness. Step 4. Simple moisturizer. Don't skip this, please, I beg of you. Even if your skin is oily, you need hydration. Use a light, non-greasy moisturizer that keeps your face soft and glowy, or just use your aloe vera gel. Moisturizing your face makes you look hydrated, smooth, and clean. Number 2. Natural makeup hacks. Okay, roses, it's time for the magic. These are makeup tricks that'll make you look naturally pretty, like you have makeup on when you literally don't. Step 1. Blush with beetroot or lip balm. Take a small amount of beetroot and dab it on your cheeks and nose. And if you don't have beetroot, you can use your tinted lip balm, apply it on your cheeks, nose, and lips. Then blend it in with your fingers. This will instantly elevate your face. You'll look flushed, soft, and sweet, like you're glowing from within. Step 2. Curl your lashes. For this, we're using Vaseline. First, use a lash curler to lift your lashes up, then apply a tiny bit of Vaseline on them to make them shiny and dark before brushing it up. It gives your eyes that wet lash look, and it's super pretty. Step 3. Brush your brows. Apply a little Vaseline on your hand, take a clean spoolie and apply it on your brows and brush it upwards before shaping it. This will give you that fluffy, clean face look. Step 4. Glossy lips. Apply a clear lip gloss or Vaseline to your lips, and that's it. Glossy lips make you look polished, hydrated, and put together. Number 3. Have a clean style. Roses, pretty girls focus on the details, you know? The hair, nails, and jewelry. These are things that make you look more beautiful and stand out in school. Step 1. Cute, clean nails. You don't need a full manicure, but just trim, shape, and file your nails before school each week. Also, add a clear nail polish coat on your nails, or use cute press-ons for that soft girl aesthetic. A clean, pretty nail is the secret to looking pretty without even trying. Step 2. Clean hairstyle. Do not go to school with messy hair and expect to feel cute. Make sure to pick a clean, easy hairstyle that really suits you. Hairstyles like high ponytail, low sleek bun, and braids are pretty for school. Bonus for my black roses. Use edge control or a styling gel to lay your edges. This makes your hair look neat and pretty for school. Step 3. Jewelry is everything. Whether it's hoops, studs, necklaces, rings, or bracelets, just a few small accessories can completely transform your look. Go for gold or silver-colored jewelry. They look clean, cute, and stylish. Step 4. Dress smart. Even if you wear a uniform, you can still look polished, trust me. Make sure to wear clean, ironed clothes. Tuck in your shirt. Keep your socks and shoe clean. It's all about looking like you tried, even a little bit. That's what makes you stand out. Step 5. Smell pretty, always. Spray a soft body mist or perfume on your neck, wrists, and behind your ears. When you smell good, you feel good. And when you feel good, you act confident. Number 4. School glow-up tips. Now roses, here are some habits that will make sure you stay cute every day without ever needing makeup. Drink lots of water every day. Sleep early and get your beauty rest. Smile more. It literally makes you prettier. Speak with confidence. Keep your lips moisturized every time. Make sure to always smell fresh. Keep your room clean and always carry a mini mirror. Fix your posture every time. It makes a huge difference. And that's everything, my roses. Remember this. You don't need makeup to glow and look pretty at school. You need good habits, clean skin, confidence, and a little attention to detail. You're already beautiful. These tips just help the world see it better. If you love this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more glow up content. Until next time, stay cute and confident.